Take it off.
They're going crazy, man.
Well, we need to pick a model.
Okay. I'll stand. Okay.
One more under the arm.
Can you hold this? It's always on my butt, I know. Everything's on my butt, honey.
I'm just doing this as a base. Okay. Maybe I ought to move a little bit because
Right, just hold it with.
Alright, so how should we start?
Okay, so what do we want to do?
Should we do the straps and
Hold on.
yeah. I think so.
You look like a mummy.
Rock Charmin. This is.
I know, this is
Yeah, it doesn't work real well. I like that. I like
We're gonna use this for later.
Oh, good deal, Zizi. Good deal.
Too restrictive on the leg.
Do we get
Points
for being the quickest?
But she's half naked.
That's how Christian wanted it.
Grab a chair, Mark.
Woohoo!
Very good idea.
It's the 80s look, man.
Let's do.
Wow.
They're back.
Sophia, what happened?
Maybe we can make a list.
Your dress fell off.
Later.
Oh my goodness. I think the grandmas are doing a pretty good job here. Oh, Z is.
It's all Z because I'm just holding the pieces together.
How far down we're gonna taper it?
Ooh. Oh, she's got a form-fitting, sexy dress. Woo!
That's okay.
She's sexy and she knows it.
Sandy.
You can't move 1 inch.
I have to tell you, Sue, at this point, you look pretty good. I mean, it's all what Lisa likes, but that's pretty good too. Here's tape. Here's tape. Anybody need tape?
Thank you.
Z hasn't used any tape, have you?
No.
You need some?
Yeah, eventually.
Okay.
So much.
Okay, here are the braids. Okay, Lisa, you need to come in and choose.
Awesome. Okay. Oh, you're
Okay, hold on.
She's having some fun with the tape there.
Okay, that's okay. It's just tape.
Okay. Oh, good. Okay. She's helping.
Nice.
Is he just holding up because we're rolling?
I'm old. Thank you. It's falling down, lady.
It's only fine. So.
I got you.
Carefully. The mummy. Is that like the
80s style.
That's the 80s.
I still think ours is the best.
When were you born? 90.
But they're coming back.
It's retro. Yeah, but
It's
asymmetrical. That's like a southern lapper.
Oh, it does look like a flapper.
in the back. It's
That is
in the
cute.
back.
It's
Ooh. Okay, I like that.
Thank you very much.
Notice the flower.
Oh, wow. That is very
Detail,
beautiful.
guys. A lot of detail. Sophia.
Oh, you're stepping on my
What's
toes.
that? Gotta help me. Okay. So they have like a.
Yeah, she made it.
It's
It's
a bridesmaid right now.
No tails on dresses.
No tails. Okay.
Oh, thank you for giving us like some fun.
And they still the flower. That should be a minus.
There. It's a slip.
And you, is that supposed to hold
I
up?
have no clue. I'm a cider.
Can you turn around? Are you even able to turn?
I don't know. No, I'm sorry. I was taking a picture. Turn around. And gravity took effect. That's what it's supposed to be. And so this tape that was around my leg is supposed to hold up her boob once it's falling apart. Hey, you know,
All right, Lisa, what do you think? What do you like? What do you think?
I'm just failed. Yeah, you just canceled. So.
I know the flower is really nice.
That is gorgeous. Who did that flower?
Yes, look.
That is awesome. Mackenzie, that is really fabulous.
So I'll take the flower for sure.
Okay.
No, that's really cool. And what's that? Where did you get that from? That's not from.
Oh, we were just improvising.
Oh, okay, okay. Kind of trying to save the bottom and. straight is really nice. I think mine is a little bit more. Yeah, and the back is really cool. Do I really have to decide?
Yeah. It's hot in this corner. The whole bottom falls off as soon as you look at it.
Hey, the groomer like that.
Wow. You want toilet paper on you too?
I think I like that one.
All right.
Congratulations.
Yeah, they're all nice. I think we can.
You know.
Yeah.
That
He does like to cook.